Squad, and this is little Miss Caitlin Ann. She's joining me today doing my first unboxing on the Morphe brushes for the month of October. Yay! Woo! So she's gonna be my little helper today. At least let's hope so. So why don't we just go ahead and get started. We would also like to welcome the new watchers that just now joining us. I hope you're considering subscribing to the Glam Squad to be a part of this nice, big, happy Glam Fest squad. If you are, go ahead and hit that notification bell while you're at it so that you can get a ring every time I have a upload, and you'll be the first to know. You won't miss a thing. Okay, so it comes like this, and I love it. It's Morphe Me powered by Live Glam. So I have got, let's see, 4 brushes for the month of October. And also in the packaging, it came with like this little cute pamphlet, like this. And it just basically shows you the different description for each brush. And I absolutely love it. See? So, let's go ahead and see what we have. And we have here the E35 Detail Smudger Brush. And it comes like this. If you can see that. Oh, my hand's all in the way. Can you guys see that? This is the E35 Smudge Brush by Morphe. And it basically says for this brush, you know, don't be afraid to take whisk with this detail smudger. And it's basically like for the very small detail areas, like either the inner corner highlight or when you're trying to get that very precise cattail on your eyes. Next, we have the E30 Blending Fluff Brush. This is fun, isn't it, Caitlin? And it looks like this. And I am very, very like happy about these brushes. They are so soft. And as you can see, I basically just literally hadn't even used them yet. But I will be using these on my next makeup look. I actually love this. And the E30 brush is like a blending fluff detail brush, and it's basically for, you know, whip shades seamlessly into your crease with the E30 and add a dash of glam to the inner corners with the E37. And that's what I'm going to show you guys next. So this is basically for, you know, putting your eyeshadow on your eyes, you know, but I could use this for a lot other things. It don't necessarily have to be to put the eyeshadow on your eyes. You can use it for multiple things. You know, this could be like a brush for your concealer, blending out your concealer under your eye or on your eyelids, you know, or anywhere else you place your concealer. But I really love these brushes, guys. Next, oh, I said I was going to show you guys this brush. Is the E37 brush, and that's the another small detail brush like the first one I showed you. So it looks like this. Now this is more like for the inner corner highlight. I like a small detail brush like this for my inner corner highlight because it's very precise. And this one can still be used for that, the E35 brush, but because it has a flat top to it, you know, it might not work as good as the E37 detail brush. This one, I will stick to just smudging out my eyeliner or the eyeshadows that I put under my eyes. That will be what this one will be consisted of, and it's the E35 again. So the E37, I love this one. Like it said, you can add a dash of glam in the inner corner of your eyes. And that's exactly what I'll be doing with this. Next, we have the E25 Pointed Foundation and Concealer Blending Brush. So it looks like this. I absolutely love this one as well. That's the concealer side, and this is the foundation side. Now, I actually wouldn't like this for my concealer because it's not as soft as I would like it to. Not like the E30 brush. Like, look at this. This is very, very soft. So I would prefer this one to blend out my concealer because it's also flat top as well. This one is more pointed, as you can see. And also, you know, I wouldn't mind using this one as well as a inner corner highlight, you know, for the eyes. But I don't know yet what I use this in for, but it definitely would not be for my concealer at all. This one I wouldn't use for my foundation. I would not use that for foundation. I would probably use this for like my contour when I'm setting the powder on the liquid contour. That's what I might use this for, or for like the highlight that you will add, like that little definition right there, but definitely not for my foundation as well. I love a flat top brush for my foundation or a damp beauty blender for my foundation. Not this. This is like pointed more. So, but it says, you know, for the E25 brush, that this double-ended brush lets you have your pie and eat it too. Use the large end for a flawless foundation application and the small end to brighten things up with a concealer. And we both just distinguished that we would not, well, at least Nina would not be using this for foundation or concealer. Now that is it for the Morphe brushes for the month of October. And like I said again, it comes with this cute little pamphlet for each brush on detailed. And it also even says you can save 10% on all Morphe products if you use the code PUMPKIN10. So I hope you ladies is going to check out Morphe.com to get that 10% discount, because I am a girl who's all about saving money. I need every bit of my coins, okay? So this is not a unboxing, but I did as well go out and I went to Dollar Tree and I saw on their beauty aisle that they had these Wet n Wild brushes. Now let's get something straight. I went crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I did. Let me just show you what I got, and I will be going back to get more. I mean, you can't beat $1, and you can never have too many brushes. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise, okay? So I got 5. Let's see. Ooh, girl. Yes. Wait a minute, I dropped one. I got 5. See? I got the Smoky Liner brush, and it's in that form. Let me take it out the package so you guys can see it better. So this one is the Smoky Liner brush. Let me get that right. And this is, I would very, very love to use this as a smudger as well. did it say smudger? Smoky liner brush, no. But this could be also good for a, you know, smudging out the bottom lash line once again, or even smudging out the top lash line. Okay, next we have the small eyeshadow brush. So, you know what? I would advise you ladies to go out and pick up these brushes at, you know, Dollar Tree, because you cannot beat that. And they are so soft. This one I love as well. It's small. It's a flat top once again. And also it seems like it can be very precise. So I do love that. Yeah, I love that. They are very soft. Next, I have the large eyeshadow brush. My little helper is so quiet. You guys didn't even know she was still here with me. So this is the large eyeshadow brush. And I genuinely would use this for like placing my first color onto the lid. Basically it would be like the base that kind of helps the second coat of color pop. So like up under this blue glitter that I have is actually a black base to help it pop more. So I would actually use this to put that black base down, because I love that these brushes, they're not too big. Even though it says large eyeshadow brush, it's not big. So it's very precise and you won't have any mess ups. And I can't wait, in the next video tutorial, I will be using these brushes so that you guys can see how they work, okay? So don't worry, I'm not gonna tell you to go out and get something and I'm not presenting it or featuring it in the video. It will be in my next tutorial that I will have uploaded for you guys next Sunday, okay? Next is the large concealer brush, and it looks like this. Now, I probably could use this for, you know, my concealer, but I still genuinely like the E30 because it's fluffy. And although that may be, you know, not so great, because I only use a beauty blender for blending out my concealer under my eyes. But you know what? I have never tried using a brush, and I wouldn't mind trying using a brush to see how it works out. But I like this one. I can't say I will only use it for concealer, because you guys know me. I'm just all about just using my brushes for multiple reasons, not just for one, multiple reasons. You gotta get your money worth. And although these are just $1, hey, that dollar adds up. Okay, honey, I bought 5 of these. Then talking about going back to get more. So get your money's worth, okay? Next, I got the crease brush. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. So I will basically use this as definitely as a crease brush or blending out my colors. So it's like I will use this like for my transition color. Let me make sure you guys can see that. I will use this as my transition color, or you know, any other color. But I love the way, like, guys, I can't believe how soft they feel. They are very soft. They really are. So that is what I had in store for you guys today in my very first unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed us today, me and my little helper. I hope you guys enjoyed her today. Say hi, Caitlin. Say hey, so Glam Squad. So I hope you guys enjoyed it today. If you like this video, go ahead, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you would like to see me work with these brushes of mine that I have today. And also subscribe. Say subscribe, Kaylin, subscribe. She is the youngest member of the Glam Squad, so there is not an age. It's free as well. So why don't we all just be one big happy family? There's plenty of room for you and you and you and you and you on the Glam Squad. Till next time, guys, peace, love, and happiness. Bye.